Well, just in, Governor Tim Walz says that he is waiting until 70% of seniors get a vaccine before expanding eligibility to other groups.
Fox 9's Theo Keith joining us live now. And Theo, when does the governor expect that to happen? I know we have the numbers on what are currently vaccinated in that senior group.
Yeah, so about 40% of seniors have gotten at least one shot. Governor says he expects the state will hit that 70% mark by the end of March. He's got a 12:15 p.m. news conference scheduled for tomorrow to announce the next phases, and we will certainly be there looking for specifics. All of this, by the way, coming out in just the last 15 minutes. Yesterday, the governor had said he was thinking about making this move to expand eligibility quicker, when only 60% of seniors had gotten a shot, and that left his health commissioner answering questions about the state's commitment today.
We've just been waiting and waiting.
Carolyn Muchow of Minneapolis says she and her husband haven't gotten a shot. They're on the state's waiting list, and their health system isn't yet vaccinating 66 and 67-year-olds like them. Muchow says she was concerned when Governor Tim Walz said Tuesday he's going to announce the next priority groups before all seniors get a shot.
We have not been vaccinated, and we need to be, and some of us do have pre-existing conditions also.
One day after Walz spoke, his health commissioner sought to reassure lawmakers that seniors will remain a priority.
We will absolutely continue to prioritize and look for and do outreach to seniors, even as additional populations start becoming eligible.
How can the state do both? More vaccine. The Biden administration says the feds will ship 3 to 4 million Johnson & Johnson doses to states next week if J&J gets federal approval, which is expected any day. Minnesota's share would be 50 to 60,000. Shipments of Pfizer and Moderna shots are also increasing.
We anticipate that the rate of vaccinations will increase markedly this week.
For now, though, competition is intense. At 10 a.m., we saw Hy-Vee pharmacies in Cottage Grove and Oakdale taking appointments, but an hour later, the website showed none available. Thrifty White had 4,000 slots at Greater Minnesota pharmacies Wednesday morning. Now, fewer than half are left. Federal regulators said today that the Johnson & Johnson shot does work, and it's 86% effective against preventing the most severe COVID cases. Of course, its biggest advantage, it's just a single dose. And state health officials say they do plan to send it statewide, but are also going to be targeting the initial doses to people who are less likely to return for a second shot, including those who lack transportation. Live tonight, Theo Keith, Fox 9.